All right. ReAX is nice. It's funny how quickly you take it for granted.
Yeah.
I already just expect it.
Yeah, well, we try to avoid the trucks that don't have it.
Right. So then the lane markers are right here, right? Yes. On the right? Yep. Yep. Okay. I just have to be at 20 for it to activate, right?
Yeah, you're good. Make sure that you're in the middle for it to become available. Yep, it's available.
Alright. Oh yeah. Yeah, nudging you back over.
And that feedback, how much feedback, it's always a parameter to tune.
Okay.
Different people have different opinions on that.
Right.
Some people want more, some people want less.
Yeah, no, it does a nice little job though. Does it change based on speed? If I was going faster, would it give me a little more, a little less?
It would stiffen up, yeah, and then you would get a bit stronger feedback.
Get it here.
So you might be
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, it's on. Okay, good.
Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, over there on that far side is really where you get a good. Get a good feel for it, you know. Yeah. It's right here. Okay. Good?
That's good, yeah.
Nice.